I'm Tammy and welcome back to Tammy's Cooking Journal. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked banana wrapped in sweet rice, chuối cuộn nếp nướng, and I hope you will enjoy the recipe.
This is what Thai banana looks like. If you don't have it, you can use the regular bananas. It will taste fine also. After I washed the sweet rice, I drained it and put it in this bowl. Now I'm gonna add in half can of coconut milk, 3/4 cup of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir it up a little bit and cover with plastic wrap. Then I'm gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna remove the plastic wrap, mix it up, then I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap again. As you can see at this point, the sweet rice is not cooked yet. And I'm gonna microwave it again, and this time for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm gonna remove the plastic wrap again. As you can see that the steam is very hot. Then I'm gonna stir it up again. Then use a plastic wrap to cover it up again. And this time, for the third time that I'm gonna microwave it, this time I'm gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the plastic wrap, and you can see that the rice is almost cooked now. So it's a little bit harder for you to stir it up or mix it up. So just try to mix up and then add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir it up again. Then cover it with plastic wrap again, and I'm gonna microwave it for the 4th time, which is also the last time. And this time I'm gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. So total, I microwaved this bowl 4 times: 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, and 2 minutes. After 4 times microwaving it, it's now cooked but still very hot. I'm gonna wait for about 5 to 10 minutes to let it cool down a little bit. While waiting, I'm gonna make the coconut milk. Earlier I used half can of coconut milk, so now I'm gonna use the other half can to pour in this pot. And I'm gonna add in a 1/4 can of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and mix well to dissolve. And I cook on very low heat and stir constantly. In this bowl I have 2 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch. Mix to dissolve. This is to thicken up the coconut milk sauce. So keep stirring constantly until you start seeing tiny bubbles. Then you can start pouring in the tapioca starch, but slowly on one hand and keep stirring on the other hand until all of the tapioca starch mixture is gone. Once it's thickened, remove from heat right away. And this is how it looks like when it's done. Now here's the fun part. I'm using a piece of plastic wrap and lay it on a flat surface. Pour on some sweet rice. Use a spoon or a spatula to flatten it up. You can also use your fingers to flatten it up as well. Then place a banana in the middle and roll it up. Hold on tight to your plastic wrap so it can form the shape easily. So just roll it back and forth so the rice will form a shape to wrap the banana. Like that. And let's try another one. So the same way, I just pour some sweet rice on the plastic wrap, flatten it up a little bit, place the banana in the middle, roll it up, hold on tight to my plastic wrap, and roll it back and forth, so the rice will form a shape to wrap the banana, like that. Now I'm transferring them to the baking tray. The Vietnamese traditional way uses banana leaf to wrap around the cake and then broil it, but I do it a little bit different. Make sure you use the cooking spray to spray all over the baking tray. I demonstrate a couple with banana leaf to let you see, but myself I prefer the one without the leaf because I like it crunchy all around the cake. So now I'm gonna bake them at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn them to the other sides and then bake again for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, turn them sideways and then put them back into the oven, then turn off the oven and leave them there for about 6 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, take them out from the tray, transfer to the plate. You can take off the banana leaf at this point. As you can see, where the banana leaves wrap around doesn't get much of the crunchy part. It's still yummy, but it's not as crunchy. Use scissors to cut the banana cake, then pour on some coconut milk sauce and put on top some peanuts, and that is done. And that is how I made the Vietnamese baked banana wrapped in sweet rice cake. It takes some effort and a little time, but it's worth it because it's very delicious. It's sweet and chewy from the banana inside, crunchy, crispy from the outside. It's one of my favorite desserts of all time, and I'm happy to share the recipe with you. I hope you like it too. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And please click on the pictures to view my previous videos on how to make Hainanese chicken rice and rice pudding with black eyed peas. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video.